Hello Mami, nandito ako ngayon sa Boracay. I want to congratulate you for a job well done in TAIS. Sana kung saan ka man mapuntang school, you will always cultivate that particular school like what you did in TAIS. I know that you are very committed to your work and your passion towards education and academic excellence is always there. I know na kung anong ginawa mo sa TAIS, marereplicate mo sa school na kung saan ka man mapupunta. I love you very much and I miss you very much. I-regards mo na lang ako kay Indora, kay Gracela, kay Aloja, and kay Teo. Ayun. So, sa TAIS family, thank you very much for loving my mom like the love that I'm giving her. So, I miss you very much, Mom, and congratulations. This is just a new chapter of our lives that we need to conquer. I know that you can do it. I love you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.